How to hide liked videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To hide the liked videos on your TikTok, navigate to your TikTok application in your device. Once you are in here, tap on the profile icon that is in your bottom right corner. Once you are in here, navigate to the three horizontal line at the top. Then head over to Settings and Privacy. Now over here, check out the option of Privacy. Scroll down until you see the option of Liked Videos. If it is set on everyone, that means the public can easily view your liked video. However, if you set it on only me, then you have successfully hide the liked videos on TikTok and only you can view it. So in your profile, you will see such icon. That means that it is set on only you. You can set it on everyone and you will not see this icon anymore, but you will just see a heart icon. So this is how you can hide like videos on TikTok. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.